Focus on vocabulary. Work routine verbs. Let's focus on common vocabulary related to work routines. Look at the images below. What actions appear? Let's find out. Which phrase do you think correctly describes the image? Brainstorm ideas, make a call, or have a meeting. That's right. Make a call. We say to make a call when we use the phone to contact someone. Number 2. Have a meeting. Check emails or file documents. That's right. Have a meeting. A meeting is when people come together for a formal discussion. Having meetings is very common in offices. Number 3. Brainstorm ideas, file documents, or check emails. That's right. Brainstorm ideas. To brainstorm ideas means to suggest many ideas before considering some of them more carefully. Number 4. Make a call, file documents, or brainstorm ideas. That's right. File documents. To file documents is to place documents in a cabinet or a folder in a particular order. Number 5. File documents. Make a call or check emails. That's right. Check emails. When we look to see if we have any new emails, we check our emails. Now let's look at some verbs related to work activities. Look at the images below. What actions appear? Let's find out. Look at the word below. Which image represents the word? That's right. Image A. To arrive means to reach a place after travelling. In the image, a man arrives at an office. Which image represents the word? That's right. Image C. To leave means to depart a place. In the image, a man leaves an office. Which image represents the word? That's right. Image C. To chat means to talk informally. In the image, friends chat. Which image represents the word? That's right. Image B. To attend means to be present at an event or meeting. In the image, a woman attends a meeting. Focus on grammar. Present simple. Let's look at the present simple tense. Everything you see and hear in this lesson is in the present simple. We use the present simple for things that are always true,
I live in Santiago. I work in an office.
and for habits and routines. I arrive to work at 8 a.m. People chat in the cafeteria at lunch. The present tense in the affirmative form. Study the table. I arrive. You arrive. He arrives. She arrives. It arrives. We arrive. They arrive. In the affirmative form of the present simple, we use the subject, then the verb.
I arrive at work at 8 a.m.
Now look at the third person conjugation of the verb. For he, she, it, we usually add an s to the end of the verb. He arrives. She arrives. It arrives. Let's look at other examples. He wants to chat. She leaves the office at 7 p.m. Lucy attends meetings every day. Paolo files documents in reception. Verbs like go and have are irregular. They do not follow the same pattern. Go. She goes to work by bus. Have. He has meetings in the afternoons. Go changes to goes, and have changes to has. Now let's look at the negative form of the present simple. Watch the video and listen to identify the negative form of the present simple.
Camila, Gabriela wants me to explain an ordinary working day to help you understand more about your job and how this department works.
Great, that will be useful.
Okay, so every day I arrive at 8 a.m. We don't start until 8:30, but I like to have a cup of coffee and relax first.
Can you see it? That's right. Lucy says,
We don't start until 8:30, but I like to have a cup of coffee and relax first.
to form the negative, we use the auxiliary do not or does not, plus the unconjugated form of the main verb.
I do not eat in the cafeteria. You do not have a meeting today. We do not file documents in this office. They do not chat much.
When we use the third person in the negative form, we use the auxiliary does not with the unconjugated form of the main verb. Here are more examples. He does not want to chat. She does not leave the office at 6 p.m. Paolo does not attend meetings. Lucy does not check her emails at home. In the negative, we can say the verb in the contracted or shorter form in informal situations. Look at the table and listen to the negative long and short forms. First, let's look at the long form. I do not. You do not. He does not. She does not. It does not. We do not. They do not. Now, let's look at the short form. I don't. You don't. He doesn't. She doesn't. It doesn't. We don't. They don't. Bonus flash lesson. How often? We use these words to describe how frequently we do an activity. Never, sometimes, usually, always.
I never stay longer than 8 p.m. Sometimes we stay later to work on a project. We usually have a team meeting.
These adverbs go before the main verb in a sentence, except with the verb to be when they go after the verb.
We are always very busy.